Hello everyone, good morning. We are from
SK
Berjaya and today we are excited to present our Padat English 2026 recycling project, the name Reborn. Before we show our products, let us introduce the materials and tools that we use. The materials are a pair of jeans, parcel string, needle and thread. The tools are scissors, a ruler, a fabric marker. Most of these materials and tools are easy to find at home. This shows that recycling does not have to be expensive. Now let's look at our finished products. We made 4 different items: a 3-pocket hang organizer, a handbag, a drawstring pouch, and flower pot cover. First, this is our 3-pocket hang organizer. Use the original pocket from the jeans because they are already strong and useful. This organizer is perfect for keeping pens, scissors, rulers, or other items. It helps us keep our things neat and organized. For the hanging strip, we use parcel string. We braided the string together to make them stronger and more attractive. We think this simple design makes the organizer look unique.
Next, this is our handbag. We made it from the upper part of the old jeans. We chose this part because it is already strong and useful pockets. The handbag is perfect for carrying small items, a wallet, a phone, a notebook, or other personal belongings. Our last product is this drawstring pouch and hanging flower pots. We made it from the legs of the jeans. This pouch is useful for keeping stationery, charging cable, coin, or other small items. Instead of using a zip, we use parcel string to close the pouch. We only to pull the string and tie them together to make the pouch simple, practical, and eco-friendly. This flower pot cover also made from the same jeans. We use parcel string to hang the pot. It is perfect for small pots. This product makes the plant look more beautiful to decorate our home.
These 4 products show that recycling can be easy, useful, and fun. By using different parts of the old jeans, we reduce waste and create useful products for everyday life. We also learned that we do not need expensive material to create something beautiful and practical. We hope our Pada English 2026 recycling project, the name Reborn, inspire everyone to recycle, reuse, and reduce waste.
Thank you for watching our presentation.
Have
Have a great day.